morning! We're here at Universal Studios Japan. It's 8:17 a.m. now, but there are already a lot of people here. And I think it's already open. Here's the famous globe. We're in! So tapos na yung sa bag checking. Tapos na yung sa ticket. So nandito na kami sa loob. Ang ganda dito sa loob. Pero marami ng tao and for sure mahaba na rin yung pila sa mga attractions. Pero okay lang. Try namin pumunta sa Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey kung makakapila kami doon. Kasi hindi ko sure. Wala kaming express pass doon. Ang express pass namin is basta hindi yun. Meron kaming 4 na express pass pero hindi yun kasali. So, let's go! Oh my gosh. We are entering the Harry Potter world. Look at that. Medyo nagsisisi akong hindi ko dinala yung robe ko. Kasi, nandito kami sa Harry Potter world. Ayan yung castle. Wow.
Hey babe.
Hi! So we just rolled this one, the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. That one is a hard start to beat.
Yeah, it's
just so good. Like it was actually long. Like I was surprised that it was long. It was such a good experience. The graphics was so nice. Even like they were like
I couldn't stop smiling.
Yeah, it was so good. Highly recommended if you are going to go here. And the waiting time is just super fast as well. Like okay, I was right in the middle, so now I'm back here. So yeah, it's really good. Highly recommended. Go for it. The waiting time was only like 20 minutes. You have to put your bags inside a locker. So yeah, you shouldn't carry your bags or things around. So yeah, it's good. We're gonna do this one. It's Jaws. So we have express pass for this. So we're just gonna continue on this lane. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nag-i-English pero ayan, pasok na tayo sa loob. Yay! At least hindi na natin kailangan mag-antay ng 50 minutes. So 50 minutes yung waiting time dito. Pero since may express pass tayo, dire-diretso na lang. Yay! Diba? Ang saya ng express pass. Parang feeling mo very important person ka. Phones and cameras are not allowed while doing the ride, but it's actually really cute. What do you think?
Yeah, I thought it was super cute. I mean, honestly, I'm glad I didn't wait like an hour for it, but at the same time, like for an experience, that was so fun. It was so cool.
It's cute. It's cute. Like it's just like I mean, you'll see. Because I wasn't able to take photos. Like I just kept it in my bag and So we're planning to do this Jurassic next. Actually, our express pass is either this one or the Jaws, but we chose the Jaws, and then this one will just line up for it. Hopefully, the waiting time is not that long. Waiting time is 15 minutes for the flying dinosaur. Yes. We don't have the express pass. This one. So we're not doing the flying dinosaur. It's this one up top. This one. It's a full-on roller coaster. Wow, it was good. It was good.
That was crazy good. If you like adrenaline, this is the one to go for.
Yeah. So thrilling.
Oh man.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow. It's good. So on to our next stop. It said there in the flying dinosaur that the waiting time was like 50 minutes, but I actually don't feel like it was 50 minutes. I feel like it's lesser than that. I feel like it was like 30 minutes or something. Because the line, I mean the queue is fast, unlike in Disney Sea. Crazy. Yeah, so unlike in Disney Sea, because in Disney Sea, I think the waiting time is almost always 90 minutes to 120 minutes. But this one, like 30 to 50 minutes. So I think it's good. animals. Like, I'm so positive that we'll be able to ride a lot today. This is our next ride for today. We are now in line for the Hollywood Dream the Ride. So it's another roller coaster. Sabi dun sa entrance, 60 minutes daw yung waiting time. Pero we'll see if it's actually 60 minutes. That was so fast. So you're like listening to music, like really loud music, while you're doing the roller coaster. I chose Shake It Off. He also chose Shake It Off. But yeah, I do like it.
Yeah, it was really, really good, and like the drop was insane.
Yeah, I think that the waiting time was actually like roughly 60 minutes, but
Yeah.
I think I didn't mind it as much. It's good.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, both roller coasters were pretty epic. I prefer the other one. She prefers
Yeah,
this one.
I prefer
But they're both so good.
the Hollywood, this one, the Hollywood Dreams the Ride.
Yeah.
But both are really good.
Yeah.
Just like preference wise, I like this more than the other one.
Yeah.
The Flying Dinosaur. Yeah.
That's us for now,
That's us
and
for
we'll see you
now.
soon.
We're planning to go to Super Nintendo World later, probably around 12. But we'll just take some time to take photos because we didn't really take any photos since we went here, like since we came here in Universal Studios. So we'll probably do that before we go to Super Nintendo. We're gonna try this Minion Mayhem. Oh, it's 35 minutes waiting time. Yay. This is the line. Hindi na kami tumuloy dun sa Minion Mayhem kasi medyo alanganin na yung oras. Meron kaming time to entry sa Super Nintendo World, sa Yoshi's Adventure. So baka malate kami doon at hindi kami papasukin. Although parang possible naman na papasukan pa rin kami, pero ayaw na namin i-risk kasi nga baka hindi, sayang naman yung binayad namin sa Express Pass. So papunta na kami ngayon doon. Flying dinosaur kanina. Grabe, no? Ayan. Masuzoom ko ba? Ayan. Nakabaliktad yan. Ooh! Hello! We're here at Super Nintendo World. May photo op doon pero hindi na namin yung gagawin. Let's go inside! It's so cool inside. Tignan nyo! Parang talaga nasa Mario World. Pati yung tunog. Ten, 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 ten. So ngayon pupunta kami sa Yoshi's Adventure kasi yun yung time entry na nabook namin sa Express Pass na binok namin. So doon kami pupunta. So yun din yung reason kung bakit kami nakapasok dito sa Super Nintendo World kasi hindi lahat nakakapasok dito. Kailangan meron kang na-reserve na ticket. Isa sa mga rides dito sa loob. Sorry. Yun yung adventure. adventure is quick and cute, I think that's good for kids. Like, I don't think I will wait in a long queue for that, but it's super cute. You can take lots of videos and photos there, so it's good. Nakapila lang kami ngayon sa bilihan ng pagkain kasi 1 PM na, hindi pa kami kumakain. So, duduli na lang namin yung pagkain doon sa tila mamaya. Hi!
Hey, do you want to see it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Nice! Dito na kami sa Mario Kart. Medyo madilim lang dito. 1 hour or more than 1 hour yung antay namin dito. I mean, yung waiting time na nakalagay dun sa labas. So, dinala na lang namin yung food. Hopefully, mas mabilis. Pero ayan. Masusubok talaga yung pasensya sa pila. Nakapila pa rin kami. I don't know how long are we here. Siguro mga 1 hour na kami nakapila. Pero look. Ayan. May mga makikita naman dito. Pero ang haba pa rin ng pila. Dito pa rin kami. Umuusad naman. So, okay lang.
Hey.
Nakakahilo. I felt dizzy. So it's like an interactive game there, which Elliot likes. So did you like it?
It was good, and I only realised halfway how to play it. Honestly, it's good nostalgia. It's not as good as Toy Story from Disney, so not gonna lie.
Lalabas na kami sa Super Nintendo World. Kapag kalabas ka doon, hindi ka na pwedeng bumalik. So wala na siyang re-entry. Pero kasi ang dami na talagang tao doon. So meron pang mga ibang mga 2 rides pa ata or 3 rides na nandun. Pero yung gusto sana namin, mahaba yung pila. As in, sobrang haba. Siguro mga 1.5 hours yung pila or 2 hours. Hindi na, parang sabi, for us, doon na lang kami sa labas. Pipilas, may mga rides pa naman doon na pwede namin pilahan at least mas konti yung tao sa labas. Parang feeling ko mga 1/4 ng tao ata nandito sa loob ng Super Nintendo. Yeah, so yan, ang dami pa. Ang haba pa ng pila, lahat yan papasok ng Super Nintendo. Tapos kami dito, palabas na kami. Pero no, grabe, sobrang daming tao. So, ang daming tao dito sa loob, tapos ang dami pang papasok. Kaya sa labas na lang kami. Marami pa namang magaganda sa labas. I was just joking when I said that there might be lesser people here. There's also a lot of people outside. So the waiting time is roughly like an hour to 1 hour and a half. So we're just gonna go to the Raymond because we have express pass for that. It's a show, so I don't know if it'll be, well, most likely it'll be in Japanese, but hopefully we still enjoy it even if we don't understand it. So yeah, we're heading there now. We also have an express pass for Detective Conan, but it's past the time now. So I don't think we're gonna go there. So we're just gonna go to Doraemon. I think Elliot wants to try this. Do you wanna try it?
Does it cost?
Huh?
Does it cost?
I don't know. We can check there. Oh, I think so. Yeah, because there's like a cashier. I think for sure Elliot wants to try this. Ano siya, 1,500 yen. So hindi na namin siya gagawin kasi parang hindi niya naman magagawa. I was telling him, oh, you won't be able to make it.
I probably would.
Yeah, I think he would. Yeah.
I don't think we have room for it in our bag. If it was something
That's
smaller
true.
and cooler, I would actually go for it.
I am more afraid of you hitting it
Yeah.
because I don't know where to put it.
Yeah.
And we're almost like in our baggage limit at the moment. Dito kami sa Doraemon. Pero maaga pa, mga 15 minutes pa. Tapos napasok na kami sa loob. Ayan, na kami sa loob. Antay na lang namin mag-open siguro tong door. Tapos meron kaming mga 3D. Ay, hindi ko pala kita. 3D. Ang cute nun. Nakaupo lang kami tapos 4D siya. Tapos may pinapanood kami na 3D. And at the same time, may mga nararamdaman kang hangin, nababasa ka, may mga gano'n yung nanginginig yung chair. Yeah, nakakatuwa yun. Parang ano lang siya, chill, na-enjoy. Maganda siya sa pangabata. Pero kahit ako nag-enjoy ako doon, kahit hindi ko naiintindihan yung pinapanood ko, parang kahit pa paano medyo nag-gets mo yung nangyayari. Na-enjoy ko naman yun, especially now na kailangan ko na yung pahinga. So, nakaupo lang kami doon. So, sobrang chill lang talaga. So, ngayon iniisip ko kung mag-ride pa kami o magpapahinga na lang kami. Pero, tingnan natin. Dito muna kami ngayon sa Water World kasi may show dito ng 5 p.m. So, malapit na mag-5. So, dito muna kami. Konti na lang yung pila dun sa mga rides. Nandito na pala yung mga tao. I wasn't expecting anything from the Water World, but it's actually really, really good. It was epic. Like, the effects, so good.
Yeah, I feel like it is actually one of the things you have to do.
I wasn't able to take any videos using the Insta360 because I was just so focused on watching because of all the effects. But I had like a few clips from my phone at the end of it, which is, I think, good. Good finale. Hindi ko na nabanggit kanina. After ng Water World, pumila kami dito sa Space Fantasy. Ayan, Space Fantasy the ride. So, may locker sa loob. Kaya nilagyan namin lahat ng gamit namin doon. Pati yung phones namin, pati yung camera. Kaya hindi ko na, wala na ako na video noon. Pero sobrang ganda. I really enjoyed it. I think Elliot also enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was cool.
It was indoor. I'm really a fan of like indoor roller coaster. And I think what made it more exciting is because we didn't really know what's gonna happen. We thought like when we were on the line, we were in the queue, we thought that it's just a chill ride. Like we're just like looking at like the universe, the stars, the lights, like something very chill. But it wasn't chilled, but in a very nice way.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it. There's a lot of turning, a lot of different lights, strobes. It was really good.
Yan, dito ang next stop namin. Pila kami dito. Asan si Elliot? Pila kami dito. Bawal ang gamit, so ilalagay namin yung mga gamit namin sa locker ulit. We're done with the Jurassic World ride. So we're wearing this, so it's good that we didn't have to buy. It's actually really fun though. It's short but fun.
It was good.
Yeah. The attractions are now starting to close. So we'll try to check if the Minion Mayhem is still open. And then probably just try that and go home after. Sarado na yung Minion Mayhem. So, uwi na kami. Naglalakad na lang kami palabas ng Universal Studios. Tapos, diretso na kami sa bahay, amin sa hotel. Check namin kung makakapag-dinner pa kami. Pero, hindi naman ako gutom. So, we'll see. Nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Bumili lang kami ng mga Lawson things. Ayan yung dinner namin kasi wala na kaming energy para kumain sa restaurant. So, magpapahinga na kami. Kakain kami yung dinner. Microwave lang namin to, pero sa room na. Tapos, yun na. This is all for the day. Kita-kita na lang tayo ulit bukas. Bukas ay chill day. At, ayun lang. Bye!
Bye.